Hello! Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, or gabi po sa inyong lahat. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Kamusta po kayong lahat mga madam and sir? I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. So in today's video, titignan natin, alamin natin kung ano ang inyong magiging kapalaran sa buwan ng September. Okay? In love, relationship, money, or career. Ayan. Paalala lang sa lahat, this is a general reading and hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon. By the way guys, before I start, I just want to make an announcement na meron tayong Hamsa bracelet. Okay, this is 700 pesos. May kasamang ritual. Okay, Hamsa is for good fortune, prosperity, harmony, and peace. Makikita nyo yung meaning dito sa community tab. Okay, meron yung akin. Okay, I love this. This is 700 pesos. May kasamang ritual. Let me know sa may gustong mag-avail. You have blue color. You have pink. You have, I think this is ivory. Ay, white. You have white. Yung sa akin pala yung ivory. Ito yung sa akin. Okay, may pagka, ano na siya, light yellow or something. Ito yung white. And ito yung red. Meron din tayong maroon. Ang ganda ng maroon. Okay? Ayan, guys. Alright. Taurus. Anong magiging kapalaran ng ating Taurus? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Angel guides. Team spirits. September 2023 for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Alright, you have the Three of Swords. Ooh, first week you have the Death card. You have the Six of Wands. You have the Two of Swords. Second week of September you have the Ace of Wands. The Devil. Third week of September you have the Seven of Cups. The Five of Pentacles. You have the Nine of Swords. Last week of September, you have the Queen of Cups, the Strength card, and you have the Seven of Swords. Ooh. Okay. Main energy for the month of September, you have the Eight of Swords. A lot of you are blocked. Okay? You are maybe surrounded with negative thoughts, okay? Feeling disempowered, you have fears, you have doubts, ang daming iniisip na hindi maganda. September, you feel very negative towards life. September, your overall energy, okay? You don't trust people, you're always overthinking. Stop overthinking for the month of September. Taurus. Okay? A lot of you are gonna be feeling very negative towards others. Why? Anong nangyari? Okay, first week of September. I feel like first week of September you will find some really hard truth about a situation. There could be an ending related to relationship. This could be a third-party situation. Okay? And a lot of you Taurus, you are flying solo. Okay, first week of September, you realize that you don't need anyone else but yourself with the Six of Wands. You have earned every one of your success. There is progress. You're heading towards your future. You're focusing on your future. You're focusing on yourself. You feel very confident you feel very confident about these changes. Okay? First week of September, you feel very confident na, you'll get through this pain, through this suffering, whatever you're going to be experiencing. whatever experience that you've had before in the past, recently with the Three of Swords, you feel heartbroken. Okay, right now, a lot of you, Taurus, you've been in the past really hurt. But now, going forward, September, there is an ending of that pain. I see you moving from this Three of Swords to the Six of Wands. See, the Death card is in between. That means there's an ending of feeling, feeling miserable, feeling depressed, feeling in pain. Okay? Feeling like you're brokenhearted, but you're gonna overcome this. September, you're gonna feel very confident about yourself. You feel very successful. I love this, Taurus. Hang on a second. Mamamatay na yung battery ko. I'll be right back 1 second. Okay, again, you feel very confident about yourself. You feel very optimistic about the changes. You feel very optimistic sa mga pagbabagong mangyayari sa buhay mo this September. Okay? Second week of September, Taurus, you have the Two of Swords, Ace of Wands, and the Devil. A lot of you, some of you, second week of September, you feel very angry about a certain individual, a certain person in your life. There is no, because this person is either giving you a silent treatment, okay, and meron kang pag-iisipan na desisyon, okay. A lot of you are very second week of September, Taurus, meron kang pag-iisipang decision, and I feel like mahihirapan kang pumili. But the advice here is to take action. Don't be afraid to take action. Don't be afraid to make a abrupt decision regarding a very situation na parang, tandaan nyo to, mahirapan kayong magdesisyon. But the advice here is that take power, no? You have the power to say no. You have the power to say yes. Tandaan nyo to, Taurus, okay? I feel like with the Devil here, you are being controlled by someone. You're being controlled by the opinion of the people that you're surrounded with. It could be your family, it could be your loved ones, it could be a friend na parang feeling mo nahirapan kang mag-decide kasi naiimpluwensyahan ka sa mga opinion ng ibang tao, when in your heart you wanted to do something else, like you wanted to, meron kang iba ang gusto mong desisyon na tatahakin, iba ang pipiliin mo, iba ang gusto mong mangyari, pero dahil nga nahirapan kang mag-desisyon dahil yung iba, pamilya mo siguro, anak mo siguro, kaibigan mo siguro, parang na-impluwensyahan ka na, kino-convince ka na yun ang gagawin mo, when in your heart, ayaw mo. You know what? Parang ganun. And some of you feel very irritable, maiinis ka kasi, ano ba naman to? Ito ang gusto kong gawin, pero yan ang ina-advise nila. Parang ganun. So you feel very powerless second week of September. But you know what? Trust your intuition, Taurus. Whatever your decision you're trying to make, trust your own decision. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong pakinggan yung mga ibang tao. Okay? Dapat ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, alam mo ang gusto mong gawin, sundin mo kung anong gusto mo. Ikaw, parang dapat ikaw ang masunod ka nun. Okay? Because with this Devil, parang ina-under ka, alam mo yung, hindi naman ina-under, I don't wanna say ina-under, parang, yun nga, malakas ang impluwensya nila sa'yo. Tama ba? Diba? Parang feeling mo hindi ka makapag-decide para sa sarili mo kasi nga, mahalaga sa'yo ang opinion ng anak mo, mahalaga ang opinion ng nanay mo, parang asawa mo ba, or parang ito ang gusto ng asawa ko pero ako parang ang gusto ko kasi ganito yung ganon, alam mo yung ganon, so naiinis ka Kasi parang feeling mo hindi na nasusunod yung gusto mo. Alam mo yan. But trust your gut feeling kung ano man yan. Okay? Now, third week of September, you have the 7 of Cups, the 5 of Pentacles, and the 9 of Swords. Ooh, third week of September, Taurus, there's a lot of overthinking, anxiety. Okay, you kind of feel very lonely around third week of September. And possibly it's just because alam mo napapalibutan ka. Itong mararamdaman mo third week of September. You feel alone, you feel na hindi ka mahal ng mga taong nasa paligid mo, feeling mo nagkakasakit ka, kung anong nararamdaman mo, feeling mo down na down ka. But you know what? Because you're surrounded by these thoughts. 9 of Swords is just your thoughts. Nasa isip mo lang yan. 7 of Cups, kung ano-ano kasing nasa isip mo, Taurus. These are not in reality. You're not grounded. Kaya ito ngayon ang nararamdaman mo. Napalibutan ka ng dalawang card na illusion lang. These are illusion cards. Okay? So you have to step back from everything. Lawakan mo yung isipan mo. Kasi nga, andito ka, ito yung main energy mo. Masyado ka nang nag-iisip ng hindi maganda. Iwasan to, Taurus. Okay? Lahat ng mga maiisip mo na hindi maganda sa buwan ng September, hindi yan totoo. Nasa isip mo lang yan. Okay? Masyado kang negative. Say, step back. Okay? What you don't see coming, no? 10 of Pentacles and the 9 of Pentacles. Okay? Maging okay din lahat. Feeling mo wala ka ng pera, naubusan ka ng pera. Feeling mo dito sa 5 of Pentacles, walang perang pumapasok. Kasi inuunahan mo, pinapangunahan mo yung mga pangyayaring hindi pa nangyayari. Alam mo yan. Kaya tuloy, nagkakaroon ka ng blockages with this 8 of Swords. Think positive. Kasi once na naging negative ka, nagiging dark, nag-create ka ng darkness around yourself. Nag-create ka ng dark energy. Ayan ang makakapag-block ng blessings, finances. Okay? How to stop it, how to prevent this happening. Listen to songs, listen to Christian songs. Raise your vibration by sumayaw ka. Okay? Keep tawag na, gumalaw ka, be active. Mag-gym ka, mag-start ka ng different hobbies, tennis, swimming, jogging, I don't know, walking or something like that na makakagaan sa sarili mo para hindi maiwasan mo mag-isip-isip na kung ano-ano. Okay? Ayan, hindi ka na makatulog, magkakasakit ka. Okay? Huwag magpuyat. Kung ano-anong maiisip mo sa third week of September, magkakaroon ka ng, hindi ka makakatulog sa gabi kasi nga, napupuno ka ng mga negative. Feeling mo, iniwanan ka na. Nami-misinterpret mo ang mga pangyayari. Alam mo yan. Alright. Now, last week of September, Taurus, you have the Queen of Cups, you have the Strength card, the 7 of Swords. Okay. Huwag masyadong mabait. Okay? Taurus, pakinggan mo to. This is an advice. Masyado kang mabait. Hindi mo na nakikita yung mga taong kasi sabi dito, guard against deceit and concealment. Okay? Queen of Cups, masyadong sweet. Sobrang sweet. The Strength card, very compassionate. Hindi mo na, wag maging bulag. See? 8 of Swords. This is your overall energy for the month. Huwag masyadong bulag sa mga taong may hidden agenda sa'yo. Tandaan mo, Taurus, okay? September, last week sa September. Minsan, di mo alam, niloloko ka na pala. Di mo alam, ginugulangan ka na pala ng mga taong nasa paligid mo. This could be related to your business, career, money. Huwag masyadong magpadalas, huwag masyadong maging mabait, okay? May mga taong lolokohin ka. Magti-take opportunity sila sa iyo, sa iyong kabaitan, sa iyong pagiging sobrang kindness, sweet, generosity. Ayan, okay? Kahit niloloko ka na, maging babait ka pa rin. Minsan, turuan natin ng leksyon ang mga taong ganyan para hindi na sila makaulit. Gusto mo ba ulit-ulitin ka hanggang mawala na lahat sa'yo? O, asan ka na pupulutin? Taurus, kikinig ka ba? Yan ang sabi ng spirit guys ha, hindi ako ganyan. Yun ang sa akin, na-channel na messages eh. Ayan na, magiging bulag ka na dito with the 8 of Swords, so you are gonna be blinded by the truth, and the truth is, niloloko ka ng mga taong sa tingin mo, feeling mo, mahal ka pero hindi pala. This could be related to your love life, Taurus. Piniperahan ka na pala, hingi ng hingi, anong sinasabi, like, ganito, ganyan, nagkasakit, papadala ka, when in fact, you have to really be discernment. Alamin mo muna yung totoo. Huwag masyadong bulag sa pag-ibig, huwag masyadong bulag sa mga taong, lalo na if minsan niloko ka na and then pagbigyan mo pa rin ulit, no. Lalo kang apak-apakan, Taurus. Kasi ay, pinagbigyan na ako, okay ako, ganun. Ganun eh. Okay? Maging kagaya tayo ni Duterte na, di ba, ngayon na wala na si Duterte, nagsibalikan na yung mga rapist, pumapatay. Kasi ang presidente natin masyadong mabait. Tama, di ba? Maganda rin yung talagang tayo, ipakita natin na matapang tayo kasi pagiging matapang is not bad. Mabait God is good, pero pag nagalit siya, di ba? Thunder, bagyo. Sakuna. Bakit pa tayo lang naglalaging nagdasal kay God kung hindi tayo naniwala sa Kanya? Di ba? You know what I mean? Masyadong mabait is not really good. Ayan na, tandaan mo, Taurus. Okay? Kasi ayaw ng spirit guides na sila ang nasasaktan, ang mga guardian angels mo, ang nasasaktan na nakikita nila na, niloloko ka na, nagsisinungaling na sa'yo, pero bulag ka pa rin, hindi mo nakikita. Okay? So, ayan, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs, I hope nagustuhan niyo yung reading ko and mga advice ko. Let me know in the comments if this resonates. And tandaan yung mga kapalaran. Kasi itong kapalaran na to, mangyayari pa. So, at least, ito yung magiging gabay ninyo. So, tandaan nyo yung sinabi ko, okay? I'll see you next time, Taurus, and ingat po. Okay, God bless. Paalam!